How GetResponse Facebook ads work is something a lot of digital marketers wonder about, especially if you're looking for an easy way to integrate your email marketing efforts with Facebook ads. In this quick explainer, we'll break down how GetResponse helps you run Facebook ads, what works well, and where it might fall short. Stick around until the end because I've got some exclusive insights, including an extended free trial and some powerful alternatives that might serve you even better. Let's start with the basics. GetResponse makes it simple to create and manage Facebook ads directly from the platform. You can launch ads with just a few clicks, and it integrates with your existing email campaigns to target the right audience. The key here is that GetResponse allows you to streamline your workflow, create an ad, design your email campaign, and track the performance of both in one place. This can save you a lot of time and effort compared to using separate tools for each part of your strategy. Next thing, the targeting. GetResponse leverages data from your email list to improve Facebook ad targeting. This is where it really shines. By syncing with your contact list, you can target people who have already engaged with your brand, whether that's through your emails or website activity. This is great for refining your ad campaigns because you're essentially advertising to an audience that's already familiar with your business. The fourth thing to consider is the ease of creating your Facebook ads within GetResponse. It's not the most feature-packed tool out there, but for simplicity, it works well. You can use pre-made templates or start from scratch. The interface is beginner-friendly, which is ideal if you're not a seasoned Facebook ads pro. However, there are some drawbacks. GetResponse doesn't have the same level of customization options for ads that platforms like Facebook Ads Manager offer. If you're looking for more in-depth targeting, A/B testing, or advanced analytics, you might feel a bit restricted using GetResponse for Facebook ads. While it can handle the basics well, it's not the most robust option for those running complex campaigns. The next thing to keep in mind is reporting and analytics. GetResponse does provide tracking for your Facebook ads, but the data it offers is somewhat limited compared to what you'd get from Facebook Ads Manager. You'll get basic insights like clicks, impressions, and conversions, but more granular data, like detailed customer behavior, is harder to come by. If you're running a highly data-driven ad strategy, this might be a limitation. So, is GetResponse the right tool for Facebook ads? It's a solid choice for beginners and small businesses looking for a streamlined solution. It's simple, integrates well with email marketing, and is easy to use. But for those of you seeking more advanced features, such as better ad testing or deep insights, GetResponse might not cut it. Now, I mentioned some powerful alternatives. If you're serious about Facebook ads and need more robust tools, I highly recommend checking out some of the competition. Platforms like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign offer more advanced tracking, better integrations with other tools, and a wider variety of features that can help scale your ad efforts more effectively. At the end of the day, GetResponse is a solid starting point for Facebook ads, but if you want to take your campaigns to the next level, you might want to consider a more advanced solution. And here's the bonus. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive, extended free trial of GetResponse. But also, make sure you check out those alternatives for a more comprehensive experience. These also come with free trials and could be just what you need to step up your Facebook ads game. Thanks for watching!